Today's review is on the 50th anniversary Hot Wheels display case, which claims it can store up to 50 cars. It comes with a 83 Chevy Silverado exclusive to this set, which I'm going to review the casting as well. The back of the package shows how the display can be mounted on the wall as well as freestanding on the desktop. And now let's unbox this package. Wow, the 83 Silverado is heavy. It comes with a metal base, the 50th anniversary logo on the rear, as well as the chrome 5-spoke wheel set. Overall, it's a solid casting. It looks very tough, and it pairs very well with your generic Hot Wheels logo design casting, such as the Datsun 510 wagon. The 83 Silverado is a good choice as an exclusive for the Hot Wheels display, and now I shall compare it side by side with a Super Treasure Hunt. I have this Super since 2014 when it was released, if I can remember, and now I shall free it from the card. I love the combination of the gold Spectraflame along with white on its body, which makes it look very unique. You can see the TH is clearly marked on the rear, as well as they sports the same wheel set, except it comes in a different color. It makes a very nice pair, except that the Super is lighter because it does not come with a metal base, which I'm considering a base swap in the very near future. I like the finishing as well as the watermark logo on the display, which makes it look very premium. And it comes with a base stand as well to stabilize the display if you choose to put it on your desktop. There are 6 rows on each side, which can accommodate up to 50 castings if you choose to display your Hot Wheels Team Transport series. There is ample height between the rows for you to display your Team Transport as well as 4x4 truck. There is also a central divider for you to accurately display your casting as well as groove on the row so that the casting will not bump into each other. Let's do a random display for a test fit, and you can see there's ample space on the groove between each casting. Do not miss my next upcoming video, which I will display my preferred Hot Wheels inside. Thanks everyone, bye!